What? Burger.
Cheese.
Ano cheese aja? Cheese expensive na. Why ito?
Because I want to go already, no?
No later only that extra if no.
Okay.
You the one?
那个
Little bit only.
他
Okay, teacher, no problem.
No problem.
You want, teacher, you want to?
Nah. Oh, thank you, Papa.
How?
Again, also I put the chili,
Not chili,
the sauce,
not
the tomato one.
tomato only, no chili.
Oh yeah, they cannot eat spicy, right?
Yeah, the children don't like.
Oh,
Wait first, You want tomato?
Yes.
Okay. Next. No more already. No, one only. Cannot 2 times. Do na. It's counted already. Some children don't have. No more. Rice only. Don't have anything already.
huh?
What?
Rice. Just rice.
What?
No.
Alright.
More burger, not more meat.
No, enough lah. One half only.
Wow, let's see.
All is half because not enough. No. The rice is there. You take there.
Oh, smooth.
You want tomato sauce only? Sean, you help that boy take the rice. The rice is there. You help. Chicken
Wow, very nice.
Very nice.
Teka, sama ko sambal.
No sambal. No already. No more. Huh?
Said tomato. Thank you, Kaka.
Boy. Tomato. Tomato. Okay. Thank you sa mga tambay dyan. Ay, salamat. Uy! Next.
Okay.
Americano.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Ano nangyari sa aking... Oh no, what happened? Bakit kaya na ganyan yan? Na-block siya. Block. Maybe something. Bakit kaya na-block yan? Walang picture of something happened. Maybe something.